Hello, all. Welcome to the Gann Supremacy YouTube channel. This is Gann Supremacy. We are doing a update on S&P 500, and this will be the first update on the forecast for the year 2026 given by me on S&P 500. So, as you'll see here, we have come to the first critical date of this year, minor date, but still we are at a major level. Okay, so we are trying to stay above this level, that is 6913, which was given in the forecast. So this is the most important level you have to watch for the whole year. Anything below this, there will be no momentum on the upside. Remember this. Okay, now we were resisted here in late October. We formed a top and then we made a swing bottom here. Okay, so as per the current vibrations on S&P 500, the period from the end of Jan till the end of February is going to be a trader's paradise. Okay, so whichever way you get the swing, you need to be ready for it. So if you see, WD Gann has given two periods to watch in January, that is 3rd to 7th and 19 to 24. So today is 19th year, Indian Standard Time 8:18, 19th of Jan. So 19 till 24 you have to watch out. So astrologically 20th is going to be important day. So tomorrow you can watch out. And then there are some astrological signatures coming here which will be very interesting to watch ahead. So, as this is our first date, you need to be very vigilant on this level of 6913. Now, if you know the 369 analogy, then we are at the 6999 figure, which is the highest vibration in the 369 category. So, if you know S&P, then the lows of March 2009 were on the 6 axis, triple six. Okay, so here again the 3-digit 66 vibration could be extended to the 4-digit vibration of 6666, which would be another interesting level to watch on this index. Now, whenever you study any method, okay, just like the Gann method, where Gann had critically stated that if you know the start, then you can come to the end of it. So on S&P, we can see here this was the start of the cycle as per this minor square. Okay, so if you'll go in the past, you will see where the cycle started. So as per the start of the cycle, this year September, early September onwards is going to be critically important for the year 2026. So any high made till September 2026 could hold for the year. So you need to be very cautious in the third quarter of this year. Okay, as per the Gann year, not the calendar year. if you are looking at the calendar year, then September to December will be your fourth quarter. Now, if you go in the past square here, if you want to measure the vibrations of any security, then you have to see the most important angle where the security or the index has vibrated. So you will see here these two angles were very important. And out of these two angles, this angle was the most important angle because we saw the price action in this square along this angle. Okay. So this was the trend decider angle. So coming to the current square, this angle is the critical angle. The current vibration can be measured along this angle. So as long as we hold above this angle, the going will be good for S&P 500. So we saw the breach of this angle on in March, late March, and we saw a dip. Okay. Then we conquered this angle in 12th May, then a brief drop below here, and then we have taken supports along this angle. Then there was a breach on this angle in November. Then we conquered it again. Again, we got a hit on this angle in the middle of December. Now, if you'll see here, we are moving along this angle. Okay. So once we go below this and the level here 6913, then you could see sideways to corrective action on S&P. So first minor date for the year we have completed. Now this period, this date, 3rd of March 2026 is going to be very very critical for S&P 500. Okay, this is one of the major dates for the year 2026, and the major level here is 6913. So if we drop below this angle, then when we could come to take support on this angle, and if we drop below this angle, then we can come to the support on this angle. So here range expansion could be 034 on the upside and 6785 or 84 on the downside. So these are the two levels you have to watch on S&P 500. And another date you can watch here is 24th of January, which is the geometrical date of the inner circle of the square. Okay. So that's all from me here at GAN GAN Supremacy YouTube channel. Please visit our website www.gansupremacy.com and like our videos, share it to like-minded traders, and do comment on it if you have any queries for S&P 500 or other US markets. So we have done forecast for S&P 500, we have done for forecast for Dow Jones, and we have done forecast for Nasdaq also. So do visit those forecasts for the critical dates and the critical price cycle levels. And one forecast we have done on the Nvidia stock. Okay. So those are the US specific market updates for the year 2026 on this channel. Do visit those videos, like, share, comment, and keep visiting us for further updates because I will be updating all those four forecasts around the year 2026 as and when critical dates are coming. Thank you for joining and listening till here.